Hello. The weather through the coming week does look much quieter than it's been over the past couple of days, as Storm Amy has now cleared away. So for some of us, there's been some sunshine out there on Sunday, and there's a bit more of that on the cards, especially towards the south and the east of the UK through the week ahead. So generally things are drier, certainly less windy, briefly warmer as well on Monday, but not dry everywhere. We have got some rain across the northwest, particularly for northwest Scotland. In fact, let's look at the expected rainfall that's going to accumulate over the next 5 days. And you can see the wettest weather, those deep blue colours, are across the northwest of Scotland, more than 70 millimetres possible, whereas further south, many places not receiving any rain all week. So it's high pressure that's pushing in from the south. Storm Amy now well out across Scandinavia, filling and moving away. So we're starting to draw in our winds from more of a southwesterly direction, importing this much milder air mass that's going to be with us, particularly on Monday. So for Monday, a lot of dry weather on the cards. Best of the sunshine will be across England, Wales, eastern Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, also seeing some sunshine through into the afternoon too. This area of rain will spread across the west of Scotland, so still quite wet and quite windy here, certainly not as windy as the past few days. 21 Celsius though for Aberdeen, 19-20 for parts of eastern England as well. So temperatures on Monday well above average. But then moving through Monday night and on into Tuesday, many of us keep with the dry weather as high pressure still dominates. There will be a weather front moving its way in from the northwest. So through Tuesday, that will bring some more cloud and rain to parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland. The rain fairly patchy and intermittent. Heads into parts of northern England and North Wales by the end of the day. Now, either side of that, there'll be some sunshine, perhaps a bit more cloud for England and Wales than we've seen on Monday. You might just get a glimpse of the supermoon, the full harvest moon that is going to rise on Tuesday night. Through Tuesday night into Wednesday, though, this area of cloud and rain pushes south on this frontal system. So to start the day on Wednesday, it'll probably be sitting through parts of central England, South Wales as well, and just gradually pushing to the south, any rain fizzling out through the day. Elsewhere, we're looking at some sunshine, but still quite breezy and showery across, again, the north and the west of Scotland. Here, 13 or 14 degrees, whereas further south, we're looking at 16 or 17. So it's cooler by the time we get to Wednesday after the start of the working week as that cold front sinks its way south, clears off towards the east. Then moving into Thursday, higher pressure ridges in from the Atlantic once again. Could still be the remnants of some frontal systems on Thursday, so perhaps a little bit more cloud sinking south through the day. But for many of us, Thursday looks dry, sunny spells around, any early morning mist and fog clearing away, and temperatures ranging between 14 to 17 degrees. Looking towards the end of the week, and that's how we're going to be ending things. We've still got high pressure with us into Friday as well. You can see the proximity of the isobars in the north. It could well be quite a windy spell of weather again across the north of Scotland on Friday. Elsewhere, lighter winds further south, some sunshine, and again, possibly some mist and fog to start the day. Should clear away relatively quickly. 14 to 18 degrees by this stage, fairly typical for this stage in October. Looking through the weekend and into the following week, and the weather doesn't change very much because we've got this blocking area of high pressure which is keeping most of the weather fronts at bay. So that doesn't move very much at all over the next 10 days or so. It does look like we'll see a little bit of patchy light rain at times then through much of the week ahead, mainly across the northwest of the UK. But for many of us, things look dry with some sunshine around too. Bye for now.